Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to look at Unit 2, Lesson 3, Adding and Subtracting Large Numbers. Now, this is just a complete review because I know you know how to do it. We're just going to review it real quick. Okay, remember, when adding large numbers, the result when adding is called the sum. That's a very important word. A lot of times in math, it'll say find the sum. It wants you to find the answer to an addition problem. When adding it is important to line up the numbers based on place value. All right, so here's an example. We have 21,076 plus 4,091. Now, look how I lined these up. I lined them up so that the ones were in the ones column, the tens were in the tens, the hundreds are lined up, the thousands are lined up. If I were to shift this over and put the 4 under the 2, it would change the answer completely. All right, so now that we've got it nicely lined up, now it's time to add. So how did I get this answer? Well, I said 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 plus 9 equals 16. I carry that 1 up here. 1 plus 0 equals 1. 4 plus 5 equal, or 4 plus 1 equals 5. And 2 has nothing, so it just comes down. All right, let's try the next one. Again, remember, we got to line it up. Now, I took the second number because it's the bigger number, and I lined it up. Okay. Now, here's my answer. 2 plus 1 is 3. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 5 is 8. 2 plus 0 is 2. 4 plus 7 is 11. Carry that 1. 1 plus 5 plus 9 is 15. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. And the 1 just comes down. Great job. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and pause this video and complete both of these addition problems. Then come back and see if you got the answers right. All right, so I lined up 789,091 plus 89,978. When I did that, I then added. I got 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, carry the 1. 1 plus 0 plus 9 is 10, carry the 1. 9 plus 9 plus 1 is 19, carry the 1. 8 plus 8 plus 1 is 17. Carry the 1. I get 879,069. Okay. Lining this one up, or I line up due to the place value. I add this up and I get 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 plus 8 is 10. Carry that 1. 9 plus 1 equals 11. Carry the 1. 5 plus 5 plus 1 is 11. Carry the 1. 4 plus 6 plus 1 is 11. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. And then I get 23. Okay. Now let's look at subtracting large numbers. The result when subtracting is called the difference. So if you ever hear in a math problem, find the difference, they're wanting you to get the answer to a subtraction problem. When subtracting, it's important to line up the numbers based on the place value, just like in addition. All right, let's practice this. Now, again, I'm lining these up. When I do that, I get an answer of this. Now, how did I do that? Well, I had to borrow. I had to make this to a 12 and make it 12 minus 5 is 7. Then I had to borrow again to make this 12 minus 6 is 6. When I took one away from the 4, I get 3. Okay, borrow, make this 18 minus 9 is 19. Because I borrowed, this 9 becomes an 8 and it becomes a 0, 7, and 7. Good job. Here's the next one. There we go. When I subtracted this, I got this number here. Good job. Okay, it's your turn to try. Pause the video and come back and see if you got the right answers. Okay, when I subtracted 3,987 from 23,784, I got this answer. When I then came over here and I subtracted these two, I got this answer. All right, that's the end of Unit 2, Lesson 2 video. You're now ready for the practice. Congratulations.